So in this video I'm following with cutting. That is, I selected guava. In the previous case I selected pomegranate and I did air layering, which is gutti. And now cut I'm going for cutting, specifically semi hardwood cutting in case of guava. So guava, that is Psidium guajava, this is a fruit crop where there are many propagating materials. I mean, you can also go for molding, we can also go for grafting, we can also go for cutting, we can also do air layering in this. Like, there are so many ways by which we can propagate guava plant. Here this is one thing, and here I'm following by cutting, where we should select for a semi hardwood cutting. We should select a plant which is of 2 or 3 years old, or we should select a twig in such a way that it must not be a tender one, and it must also not be too hard one. So we should select a twig which is of middle. Like, if we are taking from, there is a branch which is coming from your main trunk, and in this branch we should select the portion which is middle, not the tip portion which is too tender, or not the portion which is at the base, like near the crotch. So we should select something middle. So here I removed all the leaves from the complete one branch, the lower branch. It's a hybrid actually. So the size of this is very small. Actually, the age of this plant is around 5 years, but still the height is less because it's a dwarf, and it's a hybrid variety. So here the lower branch I selected, and I'm taking the middle portion, and we should take something which is of a pencil thickness, and we should remove all the leaves, and we should leave 3 or 4 nodes, or we should take at least 3 or 4 nodes must be left on this you're cutting. So after taking this, we should remove all the leaves from that portion, and then we should cut your base in a slant way, so that surface area will be more. The main reason for cutting the base slant, because so that increase in surface area takes place, and exposure of that base to soil will be more. Like, whenever we are taking a flat circle, or when we are comparing a circle and ellipse, a shape of a circle and a shape of an ellipse is something more. I mean, the area of an ellipse is more when you're comparing with a circle. So here, as we are doing a slant cut, more surface area and more exposure takes place. So that's what done. And one important technique in cutting is, we can if we are having a routing solution, we can go for IAA. We can dip in IAA or IBA solution.